Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Uh, pro Since I have started learning web development and I'm a beginner now, so I have learned some HTML language. So today I'm going to show you how to make this web page by using simple HTML. Okay, so let's start. So in this video series I'll making a small project on web development as I progress in my web development career. Since I have right now I'm studying HTML. So I will make first video on this, how to make the simple website using HTML only. Okay, so let's start. Let me go to my command line. Let me go to ls mkdir YouTube web dev. YouTube web dev cd ls. Nothing is there now. So first let me create a GitHub repo for it. Get in it. Now you can say it's a master branch. If you see ls minus la, here the .git file is there. So my GitHub repo has been created. So now let me create one file, mkdir html. I'll be pushing all the code here only in this all the HTML project I'll make in this folder only. Let me go to this folder. Okay, else nothing is there. So let me make first one mkdir one number में cat photo app. Cat photo, I think it is the cat photo. ls cd1. Let me go inside this ls. Nothing is there. So let me open my VS Code with index.html. So since my VS Code has opened, so let me enable some extension. I think my extension has been enabled. There are many extensions which has been enabled, so forget it. I'll make a separate video for it. Only let me start writing code simply. So let me done the half one. So let me simply writing the code here. So till now it is by default. After that you can see here is cat photo app as a title of this project. So let me, if it's no, it can't copy, so I can write it here as well. Cat photo app. Cat photo app. Okay, now title part has been done, I think. So let me first open it and see how it works or not. So chrome dot index dot ls, is it there? Index.html. Let me save it first. Since I have not saved, that's why it was showing like that. So I have saved it now. Let me do ls cd1 ls. Now it is showing index.html. Now let me open it with Chrome, or let me open it with Firefox. Index. So as not now. Let me make it bigger, and as you can say here cat photo app is written. Now let me go to my VS Code for next thing. Let me do, okay, let me go to VS Code and let me write the code straight. Let me start writing code from here only. So first header part. So header part start from here. Let me comment it out. Control plus forward slash. Control plus forward slash. It will comment it out, and let me put inside header part. Inside H1, let me write what was there. You can see here cat photo. So let me write here cat photos. H1 cat photos. Okay. I think it should work now. Let me go to Firefox. Refresh it. Yeah, it is working, but it is here now. So I have to make it center. So let me first make it center. How we can make it? There is one. Let me cut it. Control X, and after that write one center. It will say, since we are not using CSS here, so I'll be using the center for centering any element of HTML document. So I think it should center now. If I refresh it here, yeah, it has been centered. Now let me copy the link of copy image address, and after that I'll go to the next section. I'll make the table for it. Okay, let me first which section I'm in the main section. Main section coding start here. Coding start here. Control /. Yes. So I'll be writing the code of main section is here. So first let me write a table, since table contain 2 row and 2 columns. So first let me create table, and inside table we have table td table row inside table diagonal 2. Yeah, it's worked. I think table diagonal. Okay, inside table diagonal what I have to first write an image here, img tag. Okay, after that I have to put the source file which I copy from here for this photo, and let me write cat photo or 1. Okay, now I think if I saved it and if I refresh it, it should work. You can see this one is working now. Okay, let me write this. Let me copy this and paragraph, and I'll write this paragraph below the TD. Below this TD. Control Z. And inside this TD, I'll make paragraph, and I'll put this code here. Okay, till now I hope you all are understanding. Let me refresh it. But paragraph has been gone this side, so I have to write it in the second row. Do you understand? So let me first put the link of second one. Copy link address. Control V, paste, and after that Alt cat photo 2. Photo 2. If you want to give a title so that after hovering you can see the title. Title is cat photo. Similarly, I'll copy it here and paste in the second as well. Control C, Control V. Since I've made this one, now for second row, TR. I'll make TD. Inside TD, I'll make the paragraph. Copy. And inside the second table diagonal, I'll make the second paragraph. Copy, and let me paste it here. Control V. I think it should work. Yeah, as you can see, this is working. But if you visit here, if you can see the height of this is too much. So let me fix the height by putting here the height. If you over you can see there is cat photo. Why didn't it say? Yeah, you can see here cat photo after hovering on the image. So it is showing because of I have written the title here. So let me fix the height of the image. HEIGST. Let me do 400 pixel. How it's work or not? It's too much now as well. So let me put it 200. Okay, now it is too small. So let me put it 300. Let me save it, and after that refresh, it is little bit bigger, so let me put 290. You can adjust it by using this only. No, it's not resizing now, so I'll put 280. Now you can see it has been resized almost, but it is not in center now. So let me put it in the center first. So copy all the table and Control X, cut it and make a center, and after that paste all the code. Now as you can, if you save it and after that refresh it, it will get centered. Yeah, you can see it after hovering, it is showing cat photo, and this one cat photo as the title, and this one. Now if you compare with it, it is the paragraph is also inside the center, as you can see. So I have to make it also in center. So for making it, let me put all the table row second inside center. No, that will it will be better if you make this to a center. Control X, and let me write a center. Control V. I think it should work now. Let me press it. Yeah, as you can see, both are the single one. First one is in center. The second one is not in center. So for both, I think we should. Now, why it's not working? Let me put all that second row in the center. There might be issue of something, so let me fix it first. Let me open it with Chrome. Control C. Let me cut it from here and open it in the Chrome. Or I can go from here as well. YouTube web dev HTML cat photo app index.html. Okay, now you can see all thing is working fine. So I hope you'll if I make it bigger. So I made the video like this. Is it similar? If it's something different, then you can put a break as well here. I should put a break inside the this here. So you guys, you can see from here there is something break here. So now hope you like this video. If you liked it, and so now I should push this code inside my GitHub repo, so that I can provide you the access of this code as well. So I have already put it here. As you can see, profile. Or if you go to web development project, and if you go to cat photo app, so here I have put in the code. No, it is not the it is the code. You can see here. Okay, so let me show you quickly. I have made a one index.html web page by using GitHub pages. So let me open it first. Let me view deployment. As you can see, for cat photo app main page. So let me open it. Yeah, you can see it is working fine. So I push all the code inside this. You can access it from here as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to make a HTML project like this, then please subscribe to my channel. I'll be making this type of video on a regular basis now, because I'm starting learning web development. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna